guys, Aakansha this side. Welcome to my channel. Usually I upload music or videos, but today I'll be doing something new and creative in which I'm going to show you that how you can convert your old worn-out denim jacket totally new in just 10 to 15 minutes. Before starting the video, let me brief you all about why denim jacket. There is a reason behind it, whether you want to have a coolest look or an elegant one, or even if you're a fashion freak. It is an every woman's wardrobe essential. Nowadays, you can see that embroidery is too much in trend. So today I'm going to play with a very beautiful embroidered knitted fabric. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. Place the jacket on a plain surface. I am placing it on the floor as I am comfortable with it. You can use your table or wherever you are comfortable at. First, make a cut on the panel in the middle of the portion that has to be removed, as it will help scissors to run smoothly and also for a clean look along the seam, because it will avoid fraying as well. Make sure to cut along the seams, as it will give a clean look and won't let fabric fray from the end. Moving to the front side of the jacket. Mark the panels of the jacket which you want to cut. I have selected these portions. Follow the same steps as we did for the back panel of the jacket. ऑफिशियली आपका जैकेट अब मजबूरन नया रूप धारण करने वाला है. Reverse the jacket, as we will be pasting the fabric from the back side. Make sure to keep the jacket straight for clean and neat look. Before placing the fabric, mark which part you want to paste on the jacket. Also, cross-check the face side of the fabric. Now, put the fabric glue on the sides and apply it all over the seam. Follow the same steps for the front. To make the fabric and glue's bond stronger, press it, press it, press it. And we are done. Rather than throwing out your old jacket, reuse it by renovating it into something beautiful and similar to this. This will also lead you to create less waste and being responsible towards the environment. I have sourced fabric from commercial street. You can do it from any local market. That's it for today's video. And yeah, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell ring icon so that जब भी कोई मैं नया वीडियो डालूं आप तक वो पहुंच जाए. And also don't forget to share your comments below and try this DIY with your denim jackets, and share me and tag me on my Instagram handle, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.